Wilson, Indian Motorcycle, at the opening of Bike Shed London 2019, the global debut of the FTR 1200H right here in front of me. Now I'm going to talk about the FTR 1200 based on this multiple championship winning flat track race bike, 3 straight championships, a completely dominant race bike. We wanted to bring this technology, this riding to the street, and that's what you see right here, the FTR 1200. Now we brought the FTR 1200 right here, global debut, last year at EICMA, arriving in dealers right now this week. We worked with S&S and Martin and S&S to take the FTR 1200 and make it a Hooligan bike. For flat track racing, you can take your street bike, put it on a dirt track, and race it as a super Hooligan in England and in the US, anywhere you want to do it. And Martin and S&S really brought the street bike back to the flat track, and you want to talk about how you did that?
Yeah, thank you, Reid. So from our experience in American flat track, we've taken the engineering principles and the styling and incorporating what you see here, the FTR 1200H, H for Hooligan. The changes that we've made from the standard street bike, starting at the front end, it's 19-inch mag wheels with Dunlop competition tyres. We've adjusted the steering geometry to be more agile on the track, allows the rider to tune in the setup that they preferred. We've gone for a fat, wide bar setup, allow great leverage for the riders. We've got adjustable triple trees so the riders can find the best setup for them under the changing conditions of flat track. Looking on the right side, we've fitted a high-level 2x2 stainless steel exhaust system. For rider comfort, we made new frame spars with adjustability also for the rider's comfort. Moving to the back of the motorcycle, we've changed the swing arm. We've shortened it for 2 more inches. This allows us for better traction. We fitted also another 19-inch heavy-weighted wheel, remote box shock absorber, fully adjustable. Coming around this side, we've gone to a 520 pitch chain. It's a lighter chain that allows the riders to change their gearing setups. Also another frame spar change here, allows the rider comfort and setup for competition use. At the front of the motorcycle here, we've removed some excess parts that we don't need. It allows the riders more clearance in the turns. Hooligan racing is quite intimate and it's quite close, so we want to give our riders, Lee and Leah, the best possible fighting chance with their Crazy Horse team. In these changes, we've also altered the fuel cell to allow better clearance underneath the bike. And we're really pleased with the efforts that Indian and also S&S Cycle brought together.
All right, thank you. Thanks, S&S. Thanks to the Bike Shed. We're so proud to be here. It's an amazing event. We're so proud to debut this bike. It's going to tear it up in flat tracks all over the world. Indian FTR 1200 and the new FTR 1200H. If you want to ride a flat tracker, this is it. Thanks a lot.